The world is falling, not apart, just down. Rain writes letters in the dark, each drop a word. The night was waiting to say. Streetlights breathe softly, like they don't want to interrupt us. Time slows, because even time respects this moment. Under one umbrella, we learn a quiet truth. Some storms are meant to bring people closer. Your shadow leans into mine, and somehow that feels like home. The rain tries to pull us apart, but instead it teaches us how to hold on. Every drop a promise, every silence a vow. You don't say a word, yet everything feels answered. In this blue-washed night, even loneliness steps back. So let the rain keep falling. Let the streets forget tomorrow. As long as you're here, no storm can touch me. Because love doesn't fear the rain. It waits for it.